Dugsh, 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 dug.
What's up mga kabady? For today's video, I'm gonna teach you the different types of pattern we can see in nature. Ano pang iniintay natin? Tara na!
First is the desert rose, an example of five-fold symmetry. Mini cactus is an example of fractal. Chrysotemis is an example of radial or rational symmetry. Grasses and sticks is an example of chaos. Yellow bell can be classified as five-fold symmetry or radial or rational symmetry. Cracks is a type of crack pattern that we can see in farms. Jasmine is an example of five-fold symmetry. Lambish shell is an example of stripes pattern. Plumeria is a radial or rational symmetry. Clouds can be classified as a chaos pattern. Fern is an example of fractal pattern. Grass is an example of chaos pattern. Leopard lily is an example of symmetry. Grapevine is an example of spiral pattern. Old tree, example of dendritic tree. Malunggay leaves, an example of fractal pattern. Orchids, an example of dendritic tree. Papaya leaves, example of symmetry pattern. Oregano, example of fractal pattern.